If you're a tarot lover, you need to know the secrets behind the Lover's card. Buckle up, y'all. The Lover's card isn't just about romance, it's about choices and harmony, too. This card features a man and a woman under the watchful eye of an angel. It's like a cosmic love story. Astrologically, the Lover's card is linked to Gemini, the zodiac sign of twins. Gemini energy brings communication, duality, and a bit of playfulness into the mix. So when this card pops up, think of it as a sign to embrace both sides of the coin and communicate openly. Now, let's talk planets. The Lover's card is ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication and intellect. Mercury's influence here emphasizes the importance of clear thinking and honest conversations. It's all about making choices that align with your true self. So next time you draw the Lover's card, remember, it's not just about love, it's about connecting mind, heart, and spirit.